Randy and Sammy drove from city X to city Y. The distance between the two cities was 360 km. Randy left city X 10 minutes after Sammy, but arrived at city Y 20 minutes before him. Which means that in total, Randy took 30 minutes less than Sammy, which means that Sammy must have driven at a faster speed. Now, Sammy's average speed was 80 km per hour, 5 Randy's average speed for the whole journey. Okay, so again, we're going to draw the line model for this particular question, which will be very helpful for you to visualize the question. Now, so over here we have Randy, and over here we have Sammy. Okay, so this is Randy, this is Sammy. Now, they said that the total distance is 360, right? So we can put 360 km over here, and then Sammy's average speed was 80 km per hour. Okay, now for Randy, right, you cannot really visualize, you cannot really put it down over here. But what you can write, right, is that Randy took 30 minutes lesser. Okay, less, sorry. This is all the information that's inside the paragraph that you can throw inside a model. Now they're asking for Randy's average speed. So speed, question mark. This is what we'll be looking for. From this information, what can we find? We can find, see, we have the distance, we have the speed. So what can we find? Distance equals to speed multiplied by time. So how do we find time? Time will be distance divided by speed. So we have our distance, which is 360. So let's find the time for Randy. Arrow, distance over speed, giving us 360 divided by 80. You throw that into the calculator, you're probably going to get 4.5 hours. Okay, so 4.5 hours is the time taken by Randy, by Sammy, not Randy. So if Sammy took 4.5 hours and Randy took 30 minutes less, so what's the time taken by Randy? So the time taken by Randy would be 4.5 hours. Do not just write minus 30, that will be wrong. You must write, convert your 30 minutes into hours, so that will give you half an hour. So 4.5 minus half will give me 4 hours. So the time taken by Randy will be 4 hours. Okay, so we can say that T equals to 4 hours. The distance remains the same, the time is 4 hours, so how do you find the speed? Speed will be distance divided by time, therefore it will be 360 divided by 4, giving us 90 km per hour. So answer will be 90 km per hour. So for parents who are watching this, I can tell you honestly, the line model for a distance type question, right, is very, very helpful to help them to visualize it. So using this model again, try to get all the information that you can, drop it into the model. Okay, sorry, over here I didn't drop it in the model, right? Okay, then get all the information you can again, drop it into the model before you can find the speed. So all these are the different steps taken in order to help the child understand the question and help them to get to the answer more accurately. Done.